Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making red spaghetti. For the red spaghetti, we're going to need Barilla spaghetti number 5, garlic powder, onion powder, 2 cans of tomato sauce. The one that I have chosen has basil, garlic, and oregano in it. If you can't find the tomato sauce with these 3 ingredients, you can go ahead and add them separately. We're going to need a stick of butter, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, and some citric acid. I have a pot of water coming to a boil on the stovetop. Once it boils, we're going to go ahead and add the spaghetti. Once the pot starts to boil, we're going to go ahead and add some salt, generous amount for flavor. While we wait for the water to boil, we're going to go ahead and break the spaghetti in half so it's easier to eat. The water has come to a full boil. We're going to go ahead and add the spaghetti, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a quick stir. As our pasta is getting ready, we're going to go ahead and work on the sauce. I have a half a stick of butter in here. We're going to go ahead and melt that. We're going to add the 2 cans of tomato sauce and the rest of the ingredients. Here's can number 2. You have the garlic powder. I'm using about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. You can really go as far with the ingredients as you like. It's really up to you and your flavor profile. This is the onion powder. A dash of citric acid. This is about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And the chili flakes. I'm going to go ahead and wait on the salt until this cooks down a little bit for me to know how much of the salt I'm going to need. We'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt and about half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have drained the spaghetti and added it to the sauce. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a good mix. And I'm going to go ahead and lower the flame to low. I'm going to let this cook down with the sauce so that it absorbs it completely. Once it's finished, which usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and plate it and it's ready to go. For the last minute, I'm going to up the flame to medium-high and stir it around. This just absorbs all the liquid so you don't end up having a ton of sauce just sitting in the pan where your spaghetti can become soggy. So this is one of the secrets, is that you want to up the flame and just stir the spaghetti around. And as you can see, we don't have any liquid down below. I'm going to go ahead and take it off the flame, and this is completely ready to be served. Our spaghetti with meat sauce is ready. I hope you guys try this recipe at home, and if you do, follow the box directions on your spaghetti. Just cook it for 1 minute less so that when you put it in the sauce, it absorbs the flavors. Take care, you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you back soon.